Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here, and this series of videos I've been talking about the eBay Spring Seller Updates 2018 and what you need to do to change your eBay listings or your store. So I've got some more information for you today, all about the changes that are happening on eBay stores and shops. We call them shops in the UK, stores in the US. So I'm just going to bring you up to date with that. But before I do, quick reminder, hopefully you've managed to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so that you get all notifications of any future videos. And if you like the information, please do share it, because hopefully other people will find it just as useful. Okay, so let's go to eBay Spring Seller Updates and have a look. Right. Okay, so today it's all about stores and shops. And are you aware that there's going to be a new store subscription? So this is just for the US. That doesn't mean that you have to be in the US to have it, but you can get a starter store in the US if you're selling on .com, and it's going to allow you to list items up to 100 items, and it's only going to cost you $7.95 a month if you're paying monthly. If you're paying in the yearly in advance, it actually works out $4.95 a month. So this is brilliant. So you already get 50 free items in when you're selling in the US. I sell in the US and the UK. I base my store in the UK, but so I get free listings in the US up to 50 a month, but with this store you can get up to 100 per month. So definitely worth having a look at if you are selling in the US. So I just want to show you some of the other updates. These are the updates that are with effect from 1st of June 2018. And in the US, if you don't have a store, as I just mentioned, you get 50 free listings. And after the free listings, it's 35 cents per listing. All right. If you get a starter store, that is changing. That's a new store that's coming into being, and that is going to give you 100 free listings, and then after that it's 30 cents per listing. If you have a basic store, that's changing, because you get your 250 free listings for $24.95 a month, but after that it's going up to 25 cents per listing. I think it was 20 cents per listing before, but it will now be 25 cents per listing. Now, there's no change to a premium store, and that's probably the maximum anybody that is drop shipping with any of the training that I do. It's probably the maximum store that you would go to. You get 1,000 free listings a month, and after that it's 10 cents per listing. And really, there is never any need to go over 1,000 listings per month, because it's about the quality and not about the quantity. So don't be paying ridiculous fees when you don't need to, because you've got to also track these items. Now, when you're tracking these items via the Infinii tracker, which is the tracker I use, it doesn't cost you anything. It's all included in your membership, so you can list and track as many items as you like. Okay, so in the UK, if you have no shop and there's no special offer on a particular month, then it is 30 pence per listing. In the basic store, nothing's changed. It is £30 a month. You get 250 free listings, and it is 10 cents per listing. But what I wanted to point out is the featured store. Now, the featured store, so none of this is changing, but not many people are aware of it. It costs £82.80 per month. You get 1,500 free listings, and you can actually include 13 other countries. So if you want to base your store in the UK but list in up to 13 other countries and get free listings, you don't have to set up any stores elsewhere, then you can do that with the featured store and just pay £82.80 a month. And then after that, it's 5 pence per listing after you've gone over the 1,500. So that's worth doing. And with the tracker that I use, I just have the one account in the UK, and I can list in the US and the UK. And I say it doesn't cost me anything to track those listings. I can do in both countries, no problem at all. So I'll be looking to do Germany soon, because a lot of the suppliers that I use also ship to Germany. So I can be adding that as well I can have all that under the payment plan of Featured Store. So if you've got any questions at all, please pop them down below, and I will speak to you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.